Ready to make your American dream come true? Lakeshore Apartments and townhouses in Houston is the key to unlocking the good life. Choose from a range of contemporary studios and spacious 1- and 2-bedroom apartments, all complete with Fox wood flooring, cozy fireplace, luxurious bathrooms with bathtubs, and a dazzling private patio where you can sip your morning coffee and take in the stunning views. Plus, you'll never have to worry about laundry day with your very own washer and dryer connections. In addition, you'll have access to all the top-notch amenities, including a state-of-the-art fitness center, sparkling swimming pools with an outdoor kitchen, and a living room-like cafe and coffee bar for your daily caffeine fix. Getting to the University of Houston's Clear Lake campus or Texas Southern University is a breeze. Just hop on a bus or drive your way through, and you'll be there in no time. For a quick bite, hit up Miller's Cafe Hamburger Restaurant or satisfy your seafood cravings at Tommy's Seafood Restaurant and Oyster Bar, both just a short walk away. With Lakeshore Apartments and townhouses, you'll have everything you need to thrive in Houston. Book your stay through amberstudent.com to start living your best life in the U.S.